This is my new wort chilling and oxygenation system, which I built around this table I found at Lowe's. Nice little rolling cart, and I just kind of put all the equipment together on this one thing to keep it together, and it looks like it's going to work out pretty well. So on brew day, which is later today, this boiler and the propane is going to go outside of this door here, so I don't suffocate myself. And here's how the whole system is supposed to fit together and work once I'm done with the brew. So I've got this quick disconnect over here, and I'll just plug that on in, and I already went ahead and did that once I'm done with the brew. So I've got this lever to control the flow coming out of the tank here, and I have a pump down here, and that is going to get plugged into the wall, and the pump is going to send this boiling hot wort up into this Blickman plate chiller, where it comes in here and it comes in there boiling hot. It comes out the other side supposedly at a nice cool 68 to 70 degrees. And here the Blickman inline thermometer will verify the temperature of the wort coming out the other side. From there, the wort goes into this other Blickman device, which came out pretty recently, called an inline oxygenator. And the way this works is that we have oxygen coming in from the tank down here, and this valve here on the end allows me to control the flow of oxygen. And it comes in the end of this oxygenator, and the cool wort comes in the side of it here, and it mixes through a diffusing stone that's inside of the inline oxygenator. And what comes out the other end here is nice, cool, oxygenated wort, which then goes right into my fermenter. So that's how the whole thing is supposed to work. Now I can control the temperature of the beer coming out by controlling the flow of the wort coming out of the tank here. And the way that the chiller actually works is that we have cold tap water coming in down here, and then the cold tap water comes out the other side of this to the say hi to Bowie, he's my brew dog. Comes out the other side of this into this hose, which is going to be sent also outside of this door and to the drain. So I hear the water coming out the other side is pretty hot because it chills this beer very quickly. So that's how the whole thing works in practice. Wanted to get a shot of it all while it's nice and shiny new. And I'm going to go brew some beer now, and then I'll be back so we can see this thing in action.